Hello everyone, this is Shahil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel English Talk with Shahil. My friend, in this video I'm gonna share a few tips for new learner. If you are learning English language and you wanna improve yourself in English language and you wanna become a good speaker, so please watch this video till the end. In this video I'm gonna share three tips for improving our communication and speaking skill. My friend, for improving our speaking skill, we need to read book. We need to read the content in English. The reading is the method where we can find the lots of vocabulary, which is really helping in our speaking. My friend, for improving our communication and speaking skill, we must have a vocab power. If we have no vocab power, so we can't speak properly English language. Okay, like if we have idea, if we have everything, but we have no vocab, we have no words for speaking, so how can we speak in good way? So we need to read the book for getting the new vocabs, for getting ordinary vocabs. Okay, so reading is the method where you find the situation how can we tackle. A writer when writes any story, so there are situations, there are condition where they express themselves. How can you express yourself? Okay, where you can find, like how can we just create, how can we create the situation? Okay, so reading is very good method for improving our communication and speaking skill. And number second, listening is also very good method for improving our speaking skill, especially for those people who are new, who all are new learner. So for those people, they must have to watch the videos in English. Okay, from there they can know just how to pronounce the words, how to how to express ourselves in front of public area, in front of crowd. Okay, and you can also check yourself how do you express yourself in front of someone. And number third is speaking. Without speaking you can't speak. Okay, so we need to do practice. Without practice we are not improving, we are not gonna improve ourselves in speaking. Someone says right speaking comes by speaking, so without speaking we can't speak. For improving yourself in English language, just make sure yourself that you would do practice in English, then you can improve yourself. So just speak. For speaking comes by the speaking. For for constructing the house, there is no requirement of notes, is there? There is no, if we are just writing in our diary, we have to construct our house. So this is not main requirement. The main requirement is we have to find constructor, we have to find the sands, we have to find cements, we have to find the things what is really helping for constructing our house. So same as if we have to speak, so it's very important, we have to make sure ourselves, we have to encourage ourselves for speaking. Whether you are speaking in wrong way, whether you are speaking in correct way, it doesn't matter. If you are new learner, so please don't be worried about these things. If you are making mistakes, so it's a part of our learning. So please, if you like this video, so please like and share with your friends, subscribe this channel, and you are gonna get this kind of content in future. So see you tomorrow.